What? I just taught myself something. Woo-hoo. I'm learning with you guys. I'm learning. Hi, loves. Guys, I wanted to come on to share with you something I've been asked about in the comments and in my email is how do I create my thumbnails because everybody like them. Yay! So I'm about to share how I create my thumbnails from my iPhone. So happy that they do. That you guys are. So I wanted to do a tutorial step by step on how I actually create my thumbnails. So this would be like a part 1 for YouTubers or anyone else that's starting out on their YouTube vlog channels. So I use my iPhone for everything. Now the app that I do use that you may have to download if you don't already have it is Clips. And I'll show you how it look in a minute. So let me put on my glasses. Okay, we're ready. So now you're gonna go into your photos. I'm using the iPad so that you guys can see, but I normally do it from my phone, okay? So I'm gonna choose a photo I just took earlier, which is this one. Okay, we're gonna go into edit. This is your regular edit area in your thing. If it's not already shrunk, just pinch it so you can shrink it because you don't want it to be like this when you're writing your stuff down. She cute. Now, if you're editing, when you're editing and you hit edit, if your picture come full circle, you have to pinch it down, okay? Pinch it down because on Clips, if you do it while it's wide and then you save it, it's gonna be too big for Clips for your thumbnail. It's gonna be too big for Clips. And also, when you put your wording in, remember to put your wording in the middle because sometimes you may have to cut off this area or your top area. Once you get to YouTube channel to put in your picture for your thumbnail, okay? So remember that. I hope I explained that right. So now the filter button, because you want to brighten it up and you want it to pop a little more than it is, okay? So you hit the filter, which is the little one with the little 3 circles. See the difference from here to here? That girl just popped that skin. What? That's a popping situation from here to here. What? Movie star. Now with this picture, whatever your Clips is about, because I'm assuming if you do Clips, you're gonna have this picture in their Clips for some reason. So you can name your video. Okay, so now on this picture, let's just assume that when you are doing your clips for that day, your video clips, you took this picture out of one of the clips. So now you can just name this, Do You Like My Braids? Something simple like that. And that'll be in the clip. But the whole vlog itself is totally about something else. You have her popping now. Do not hit done yet. Now that we brighten up the picture, now we want to go to the editing, hit the pen. Okay, let's pinch this to make sure. I always do the pinching. Now you're gonna hit the plus, the text, we're gonna move it over, come down so it can be seen, spread it out. We're gonna change the color. These right here are your colors. And I'm gonna do 2 different colors, but you putting the first one in for now. Okay, now we want to maybe change the lettering. We're going to choose this one, and we're going to make it a little bigger. Okay, we're getting there. Hey, we got to get that line out. Okay. Now we're going to tap on text. We're going to hit edit so that your typing screen can come up. And we're going to put in, okay, so my space, gorgeous. We're going to go down and we're going to put braids. Okay, my gorgeous braids. Now, we're gonna hit duplicate, okay? So you have two. Woo! So on this one, we wanna change the color. Edit. Color. Okay, and then you're going to slide it up. You either want the white to show more on one side, you want to go this way, or you want to bring it this way. You see that? Let's zoom in. So now you have my gorgeous braids. Now that we have that, we're going to now say we're done. It's in the position we like. It's great. We can see it and all that. Now, if you want to put the box around it, some people put the box around it. I don't like the box, but you just hit plus and you see the boxes and things you can choose from to put around it. And you can also change the color on those boxes too. We're gonna hit done in the corner or wherever it is on your screen. It's loading. Hit done. Okay, so now it's saved. This is your photos, now it's saved. Go back there and it's right here. Okay, and we're gonna find the clip at. Here we go. That's how the clip at look. It says clip underneath. See it? Clips. Here we go. See how it come out wide? You want to pinch it. Pinch it as small as you can get. All right. All right, so what I first want to do is hit this. If you can do any more popping on it, then do it. But it's fine. I just can stay like it is. What? Cartoon? Now, unless you want to just make it fun, because one or two of mine, I did do a cartoon, comic book kind of stickers. So you have the three things here. You have the filter, you have labels, you have stickers, you have emojis. Okay? Let's go in stickers to see if anything here I may want to use. What? I just taught myself something. Woo-hoo. I'm learning with you guys. I'm learning. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a trick. Say you want to put... No, we don't want you meanwhile. You want to put... Wow. Right now, I'm just looking because I want something with that color. So you put over here. Or you can use this word if you want. But I'm going to show you a trick. If you tap and hold, the typing screen comes up and you can put your own word. So you just take that out and I'm gonna put in I love it. Isn't that amazing? But you cannot change the color of it. That's the only thing. So if you're gonna pick a word, try to pick something that you like the color, because you have all these different words down here. And you just find the word that you want in that box. I mean, you can retype the word that you want in that box. Or you can just use that. Okay? So that's another trick. Yes. Now we're gonna add some emojis. And you can make this as big as you want, okay? Remember, all you have to do is tap it. I mean, not tap it. Yeah, well, tap it, the X come up. You don't want to tap it twice because you don't want the words. And you just make it as big as you want by putting your fingers on the outside of each corner. Okay? But remember, don't go too close to the top or too low to the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna do some emojis. I always put my little sign thing. We're gonna make it look like a tattoo right underneath the clavicle. All right, so now we want, maybe you can block that out too if you want. Let's take this one, put it here, and you can block out all of that. Whatever you want to block out, you can block out. Like I could take this, since I said I didn't want this in here, make it big. Wait, come here. Block that out. So you can block out anything. Okay? Anything that you don't want seen. Every time you get ready to change something, the other ones will fade out so that you can concentrate on that one, and it knows that you're not changing any of the other ones. So whatever one you want to change, you just tap on it. Okay? So you tap, you see a little X. If you want to take it out, you take it out. So now that we finished, we put my little heart back. Now doesn't that look cute? Okay? So this is going to be your thumbnail. Now if you want to take this down, you have to push X to come back up. And once you're done, you just hit this, send it to our photos. And you hit save. You hit save. And it'll save it to your photos. So now that part is done. Now you're ready to go to YouTube. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial for your thumbnails. I hope you guys got a lot from it. I hope I did a good job. It's a how-to from my vlog. So also I wanted to mention that I always do my thumbnails before I begin to upload on YouTube. For example, if you know what your vlog is about, do your thumbnails so that it's already done. For all YouTube videos and pictures, hold your phone the wide way, like this. So, that's part one of that. My next one is going to be part 2 on how to use iMovie. Okay? So thanks guys. If you can, and if you have not, please subscribe to my lovely channel. I know that you like it. And share with your family and friends. And like. And what else is there? So subscribe, comment, like, and share. I got them all. So thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.